Hey there. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm so glad you're here with me. Have you ever had one of those days where you wake up and think, okay, today I'm going to be productive. I'm going to study, eat healthy, and do something good for myself. That's exactly what today feels like for me. We're going to walk through my day together. From waking up in the morning to studying with my best friend Nova at a coffee shop. You'll hear natural English conversations from ordering coffee to chatting about exams. Ready to join me? Let's go! I woke up early today around 7 a.m. The sunlight was warm and soft, streaming through the curtains. I stretched a little, feeling both sleepy and excited. The first thing I did after getting out of bed was drink a vitamin C supplement. I've been taking vitamin C every morning to boost my immunity, especially because I don't want to get sick right before exams. After that, I did about 10 minutes of yoga. Nothing fancy, just simple stretches and moving slowly. Yoga in the morning makes me feel calm and focused. Then I made myself a healthy breakfast. Today I had a bowl of oatmeal topped with bananas and strawberries, plus a boiled egg and a cup of warm green tea. While eating, I thought about my upcoming pharmacology exam. The exam is in just 3 days, and I really need to review the important topics. After breakfast, I picked up my phone and called my best friend Nova. We always study together before exams. She's like my study buddy and cheerleader. Hey Nova, good morning.
Morning. Did you wake up early again?
Yep, 7 a.m. I did some yoga and had breakfast.
I'm still finishing my toast. I stayed up late last night.
Oh no, did you study late?
Yeah, I was revising the chapters about antibiotics. They're so hard to remember.
I know. Let's study together. How about we meet at the new coffee shop near the library?
That's a great idea. What time?
Let's say 10 a.m.
Perfect. See you there.
Okay, see you soon. Then I packed my bag with my notebook, highlighters, and my pharmacology textbook. The weather was beautiful, bright, sunny with a little breeze. On my way, I thought about the plan. Study hard for 2 hours, make flashcards, and quiz each other. When I entered the coffee shop, I loved the smell of fresh coffee and baked bread.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you both today?
Hi, can I have a regular cappuccino, please?
Sure. And for you?
Hi. Welcome. I'll have an iced latte, please. No sugar.
Got it. Anything to eat?
And can you add a little cinnamon on top? Maybe a slice of banana bread for me. Do you want something? Nova?
I'd like a blueberry muffin, please.
Perfect. So that's 1 cappuccino with cinnamon, 1 iced latte, a slice of banana bread, and 1 blueberry muffin. Your total is $12.
Yes, that's correct. Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in just a minute.
All right, let's start. I brought my notes, but I'm still confused about some drug classifications.
Which ones?
Mainly antibiotics. I mix up the names.
Don't worry, we'll review them together. How about we quiz each other?
Good idea. Ask me something.
Okay, what's the main use of amoxicillin?
That one is easy. It's an antibiotic used for infections.
Correct. Your turn.
What's a common side effect of antihistamines?
Oh, drowsiness?
Yes, you got it.
You know, this coffee shop is nice. It's quiet and perfect for studying.
Yeah, I like the big windows. The sunlight is so calming.
We should come here more often before exams.
Definitely. Okay, one more question for you.
Through 2 hours of reviewing and quizzing each other, we felt much more confident. We laughed about how nervous we were last week and promised to study again tomorrow. Before leaving, we both ordered a second round of coffee to go because caffeine is our exam fuel. And that's our day, from waking up early to studying at the coffee shop with Nova. I hope this conversation helped you hear real, everyday English you can use with friends, in a cafe, or when talking about your plans. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural English conversations every day. Tell me in the comments, where do you like to study or hang out with your friends? Thanks for spending time with me today. See you next time, and good luck if you have an exam coming up.